Hi, I'm Anusha. I make beauty related content. If this is something that interests you, please take a moment to click that subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload. Today I am going to be sharing my empties with you. I have a lot of them and I am going to be giving mini reviews. I am not going to give in-depth review because if I do that, this video will take forever to finish. So I am giving mini reviews and I have already made detailed reviews of some of the products. If I have detailed reviews of any of the products in the channel, I leave them in the iCard and both in the description bar. So if you are interested, you can go and check that out. So without further ado, let's get started with today's video. I have so many products to share with you. First on the list is this Sebamed Clear Face Care Gel. This is a gel based moisturizer. It will suit more oily and acne prone skin, especially in the hot humid weathers. It absorbs very well into the skin. It is free of oils and emulsifiers. It contains many good ingredients like glycerin to soothe the skin, allantoin and panthenol to give that calming effect on the skin. Whenever I want some extra hydrated and plump look on my skin, I'll go for this product. This almost instantly gives you that fresh, hydrated and plump look on the skin. So I'll definitely repurchase this one. Next on the list we have Cosrx Ultimate Moisturizing Honey Overnight Mask. This is my favorite. When I first started using this, I felt like this is hydrating, nothing more than that. But when my skin is used to this product, I can see that calming effect it gives on my skin. It is very calming, hydrating and nourishing at the same time. It has beautiful golden hue to it. You can get this product from Nykaa or Beauty Barn or Macron Beauty, but it is almost all the time it is out of stock. But I have found a close dupe to this product, that is Aloe Propolis Soothing Gel from Benton. I have already uploaded a short and crisp review of this, comparing this product with this one, so you can go and check that out. If you cannot find this, you can get this moisturizer. I'll definitely repurchase this product if it comes back in stock. Yeah, next on the list we have Aveeno Active Naturals Daily Moisturizing Lotion. It has thin lotion-like texture. It is very affordable also. It will suit more combination to oily skin. If you have very oily skin, you may not like this product. But if you are somewhere between combination and oily, you will enjoy this product. It has very good ingredient. It has good humectants like glycerin and it has some occlusives also like dimethicone, and we have oat kernel flour in this formulation. One important thing I have noticed while using this product is, if you have any redness, like the redness due to compromised skin barrier or redness due to drying of the skin, then it will calm that redness almost immediately. I am not talking about the redness due to acne. I am talking about the redness due to drying or irritation or compromised skin barrier. If you have redness due to those kind of issues, this moisturizer will instantly calm that redness down. I like that thing very much about this product. I will definitely repurchase this. It is quite affordable, good quality and it performs, so definitely I'll repurchase this product. Next on the list we have Kama Ayurveda Pure Rose Water. I have finished bottles and bottles of this product. I like this rose water very much. It is steam distilled rose water. We have a review of this product. I'll leave that here. It feels very soothing and calming on the skin. If I spritz it like this, even my eyes will start feeling so much relaxed. So I enjoy this product so much, especially in hot summer. Whenever my skin feels very hot due to the external heat, then just I'll go and spritz this product and I'll feel much better. Next on the list we have 100% organic Bulgarian rose water from Juicy Chemistry. This is also a very beautiful rose water. The quality is at par with the Kama Ayurveda rose water, and it has even more mild scent when compared to Kama Ayurveda. So if you are someone who likes very mild fragrances, you will enjoy Juicy Chemistry rose water very much. Then we have this sandalwood and 4-clay detox mask from Myoho Pure by Priyanka. I got this product a while back. I have some issues with this product, like the ingredients mentioned on the packaging and on the website do not match. For suppose here they say sandalwood powder and oil, but on the website I have seen only sandalwood oil, that too at somewhere at last of the ingredients list. So the ingredients didn't match, something like that, and the performance is also not that great. The only thing I like about this face mask is it is a clay based face mask, but it won't dry out the skin. That is the only thing I like about this face mask, nothing more than that. It retails for 1000 rupees for 50 grams of product. I mean, who pays 1000 rupees for 50 grams of a clay mask? I don't pay for that. And the performance is also average like any other clay mask, nothing great, nothing extraordinary. So I won't be repurchasing this product. Then we have Plum Green Tea Mattifying Moisturizer. It is their old version. Now I am using their latest version, that is Plum Oil Free Fragrance Free Moisturizer. That one is very nice. That has very light texture when compared to this one. I have used 2 to 3 bottles of this product because Plum Green Tea line works for my skin. Yeah, but I won't be repurchasing this because now I am using their oil free fragrance free version, and that feels much better than this moisturizer, so I'll stick to that one and I won't repurchase this one. Next on the list we have Centella Unscented Serum. I love this product so much. When my skin is irritated like crazy, this product came to rescue and it helped my skin to recover. My skin always felt really hydrated and calm after using this product. So I don't know, I think I cannot discontinue using this product. It has very good ingredients. We have a detailed review up on this channel. It is essential oil free, fragrance free, so it will suit the most sensitive skin type. Also it has 49% of centella extract. It has a lot of ceramides for the irritated skin, for skin barrier support, and we have got peptides, we have got hyaluronic acid, and we have got niacinamide. So it is like a powerhouse of all the good ingredients. You pick all the good ingredients, keep them at one place and formulate it well, then you will get these kind of serums. Yeah, I have backup for this serum. Currently I am testing other niacinamide serums, so I gave a break to this product, but I love it so much. Next on the list we have niacinamide 10% and zinc 1% from Be Minimalist. I got this product when my skin is looking very dull and I am having acne issues. This product really helped with making my skin look more bright within like 1 week, and it has helped to calm down my acne. But this is a bit strong. It is 10% niacinamide. After I have crossed that phase of acne on my skin, I started using 5% niacinamide, and I like 5% niacinamide more than 10% niacinamide. That felt more hydrating and soothing on the skin. Now my skin concerns are I want a hydrated skin and plump looking skin. Now I am enjoying the 5% niacinamide, so I think I won't repurchase this product. Next we have chili, horsetail and black seed hair oil from Juicy Chemistry. It says it is a hair, promotes hair growth and controls hair fall. I have used this product for nearly 3 to 4 months. It is a very good quality oil. It gives very relaxing that warmth feeling on the scalp when you apply it, and I cannot say it has controlled, it has helped to regrow the hair, but for some extent like about 30% it has helped to reduce the hair fall. I realized it when I started using another hair oil. This helped to reduce the hair fall. I'll definitely repurchase this, not in the hair fall perspective, but it is a very good oil. It will really nourish your hair. So in that perspective, I'll definitely repurchase this product. Next on the list we have Niamax Diesel. I have used like 3 to 4 tubes of this product. I like this product very much. It has some good ingredients like glycerin, panthenol and niacinamide 4%. I think now they have launched a new version of this niacinamide EDR or something like that. So I'll try that product also, and they have old version also available, so I'll get this one also. So overall this is a very good product. Then we have Vilva Cream Face Wash. This is a very high quality cream based face wash. If if you like moisturizing mild face washes, you will enjoy this product very much. I used it as morning cleanser. It don't lather much, but it will cleanse your skin properly. If you are from oily skin, you may not enjoy this product, but if you are from normal combination of dry skin, you will enjoy this product. I'll repurchase this one. Then I have 2 lip balms from Juicy Chemistry. They are very good quality lip balms. I may or may not repurchase them because it comes in a tub packaging, and every time you have to dip finger when using these products. Especially in COVID times, I don't feel like doing that. So for now, I'll give a break to these lip balms. In future, I may repurchase them. Next, we have a body butter from Petal Fresh. It is their hibiscus and papaya body butter. It is a very lightweight body butter. If you have dry skin, or if those are winter months, you will not find this moisturizing enough. But if you are from normal skin and the climate is hot outside, you will find this body butter nourishing enough but not greasy at the same time. So it is that kind of body butter. I will repurchase this product for summer, but for winters, no, this will not provide that moisture. Then we have breakout control serum from Deconstruct. We have full review available on this serum. I have completely emptied 2 bottles and I am planning to purchase one new bottle for me. Yeah, I like this product very much. We have 2 reviews about this product. I leave them, you can check that out. It has very light texture. It is like a multi-purpose serum that will help to control your breakouts, that will help in fading away those dark spots, that will help to brighten up your skin. So if you have these multiple skin concerns, you can give this a try. And next we have Sugandha White Lotus Moisturizer. The texture is somewhat similar to Sebamed Clear Gel. It has 3% niacinamide and it has white lotus flower extract, and it also has panthenol and allantoin to calm down the skin. What I like most about this moisturizer is it feels hydrating on the skin, it feels very soothing on the skin, and it is extremely non-oily kind of moisturizer. So if you have oily skin and if you live in hot humid weather, then definitely you can try this moisturizer. They have 2 versions of this product. One is scented and the other one is unscented. I have used their unscented version. I love this product so much and I think I'll repurchase this one. Next we have Neroli Rosehip and Tamanu Organic Body Butter from Juicy Chemistry. It is a very thick heavy duty body butter, but it will not leave your skin looking oily or something like that. It helped with my stretch marks and it helped with pigmentation on my skin. Definitely I'll repurchase this product. Once the winter arrives, I'll go for this one. Then we have Berry Blast Body Yogurt from Earth Rhythm. Actually, it is a very lightweight body butter with probiotics. If you like those very lightweight body butters, you will enjoy this product. They have some other variants, but don't expect much hydration and moisturization from this product. As I already mentioned, it is very lightweight body butter. I'm not sure I will buy it or not because it is very expensive and I need like a very large quantity to get that enough hydration from this. So it is a cute, fun product, but not something that I go back to invest my money in. I have mixed feelings for this product. I may buy it or I may not buy it. If I get it on some huge discounts, then I may consider buying it. Next on the list, we have Restorative Hair Butter from Earth Rhythm. This is like a very lightweight hair butter. If your hair is very thin and lean and applying of any heavy duty body butters makes your hair just very lean. If you are avoiding silicones in your hair care, then you can definitely try this product. It will make your hair look soft and shiny, but it cannot control the frizz like the silicone based hair masks do. If making your hair soft and bouncy without making it lean is your main concern, then you can try this hair butter. For me, currently I am using silicone based hair butters, so for now I am not going to repurchase this product. Then we have Plum Green Tea Clear Face Mask. I have used like 3 to 4 tubs of this face mask. It works for me. It removes that dirt and grime and all the oils from my skin. It is a very thick textured mask. Yeah, it works. It is affordable and it works for me. Then we have goat milk shampoo from Vilva. I don't like this product at all. Ingredients wise, packing wise, it is good, but performance wise, it is not good. At least on my hair, it did not work. It made my hair strands more rough and dry, and it did not cleanse my skin well also. So I will not be repurchasing this one. Next we have low pH good morning gel cleanser from Cosrx. It is my favorite cleanser. It is strong enough to cleanse your skin properly, but it is not stripping or non-drying. It has some very good ingredients along with mild surfactants, and it has also got betaine salicylate. So if you have oily and acne prone skin, this will really help you because it is pH balanced. It is strong enough, but it is not stripping. I'll definitely repurchase this product. Yeah, I have also finished a Murmuru shampoo bar from Earth Rhythm. That is a very good shampoo bar if you are trying to avoid sulfates and parabens in your hair care. Then that one is very good to go for. Yeah, with that we have come to an end of this video. If you enjoy watching this video, please give this a like. Also do share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.